Dear students, hope you all are in good health and spirit. In this session, we are going to see the forms of tenses. Please listen with attention and practice the activities given in the end. Tense is the time described by a verb shown by its grammatical form. The tense of a verb gives us an idea of the time when an action or an event took place. The three main tenses are as follows: the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Each of the three main tenses have four subdivisions in order to show the continuity or completeness of the action and time. These are simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Look at the table carefully. This table will help you to memorize all the subdivisions of the tenses. Please study it thoroughly. Let us begin by learning the present tense. Present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated, or any action that exists only now. The rules of this tense are as follows. When a sentence is in simple present tense, it consists of a subject, the V1 form of the verb, and an object. For example, I write a letter. In this sentence, I is the subject, write is the V1 form of the verb, and a letter is the object. Second is present continuous tense. Now the sentence becomes I am writing a letter. We are using am, is, are because it is a present tense, ing form of the verb because it is present continuous tense. So the sentence is I am writing a letter. Third is present perfect tense. The sentence is I have written the letter. Here we use have or has with the V3 form of the verb, which is its past participle. So the sentence is I have written the letter. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. The sentence is I have been writing the letter. Here we use have or has been with the V1 form of the verb using ing because it is in continuous tense. The sentence is I have been writing the letter. The past tense. The past tense expresses an action or a situation that was started and finished in the past. Let us see subdivisions. First is simple past tense. The sentence is I wrote the letter. Wrote is the past tense of write, that is V2 form of the verb. So the sentence is I wrote the letter. Second, past continuous tense. The sentence is I was writing the letter. Here we use was or were and V1 with ing form, so the sentence is I was writing the letter. Third, past perfect tense. The sentence is I had written the letter. Here we use had with V3 form of the verb, which is its past participle. Therefore, we write I had written the letter. Fourth, past perfect continuous tense. The sentence is I had been writing the letter. Here we use had been and V1 with ing. So the sentence is I had been writing the letter. The last tense is the future tense. The future tense expresses an action or a situation that will occur in the future. Let us see simple future tense. Sentence is I will write the letter. Here we use will or shall with V1 form of the verb. The sentence is I will write the letter. Second is future continuous tense. The sentence is I will be writing the letter. Here we use will or shall be and V1 with ing form. The sentence is I will be writing the letter. Third, future perfect tense. The sentence is I will have written the letter. Here we use will or shall have and V3, that is past participle of the verb. So the sentence is I will have written the letter. Last is future perfect continuous tense. The sentence is I will have been writing the letter. Here we use will or shall have been and V1 with ing form. The sentence is I will have been writing the letter. Students, here is a table for reference. All the subdivisions of the tenses are given in this table with the use of the verb to do. Please study it carefully. All the best. Thank you.